Hello, my first grade friends. Today's learning target will be I can solve to find the missing addend in the equation. We've worked on this a little bit in class, so this may be review for you. Before you begin this lesson, please make sure you have a whiteboard and marker so you can solve a few problems and practice. This is our anchor chart that we created together. It's titled Missing Addends. And remember, two addends added together will equal the sum. As you can see, the number 6 is an addend, the number 2 is an addend, and then 8 is the sum, which is your answer. If you have a missing addend, one strategy is to count on. You start from the known addend and stop when you get to the sum. For example, this problem started at 12. We didn't know this piece right here, that's why it has the box. And then we stop at 15, which is our sum, our answer. So if I was starting at 12, I count on 12, 13, 14, 15. I stop at 15, and my answer is 3. So 12 plus 3 equals 15. Another strategy is to subtract to find the missing addend. You start with the sum and take away the known addend. So for example, we have 9 plus something equals 13. So what we did here, we did 13, take away the 9, and then we would get our answer. So I even drew a picture because we should know that we know that we should always prove our answer. So I drew 13 circles, crossed off the 9, and my answer left would be 4. Let's practice some now. I will model what to do on the first 2 problems, and then I'm going to give you a chance to try it out, and then I will show you how to get to that answer. So the first one says 16 plus something equals 19. So we have our addend 16, we have our missing addend, and then we have our sum. So if I'm thinking about my anchor chart, I want to make sure I start at 16. So I'm going to underline 16. And then I want to make sure I count up to where I end at 19. I want to end at 19. So I'm going to count on 16, 17, 18, 19. So I can see my missing addend is 3, and I'm going to write a 3 there. You can also use counters if that helps you. You could do 2 strategies to find your missing addend. Let's continue on to the next practice problem. So on this one, I have 7 plus something equals 15. So my starting number is 7. My ending number is 15. And I need to find the missing piece right here. So I'm going to start at 7. I'm going to count up and stop at 15. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I know my answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can also do my subtraction strategy. So I could write 15 minus 7, and then I want to find my answer. So in that case, I would draw 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and I'm going to cross off my 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I count how many I have left. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I just checked my answer, and I know that it is also 8. I got the same on both of them, so I know it's correct, and I know I don't need to try it again. Okay, let's go to the next problem. So on this problem, I want you to try it. So I'm going to give you a few seconds, and I want you to try counting on and see if you can solve it, and then I will go over it in a few seconds. So get your whiteboard and marker and start working. Okay, so for this problem, we are going to start at the number 3. We're going to stop at the number 6. So I'm going to draw my picture. So 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can see that my answer is 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to write a 3 in my missing addends box. So I know 3 plus 3 equals 6. I can also check my work by subtracting. So I can take my 6, take away the 3, and I would get my missing addend. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, take away 1, 2, 3, and I can see I have 3 left. So I was correct. I'm going to move on to the next problem. I'm going to give you a chance to try to work through this one. This one's a little tricky, but you can do it. Okay, so for this one, just because this missing addend is in this spot right here, it doesn't change that you are starting at the 9 and you are counting up to 16 and stopping. So I'm going to start at 9, count with me, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And let's count how many we have there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to put my answer right here, 7. So 7 plus 9 equals 16. I can use subtraction also to solve, so if you did that, it's an awesome way to do it. So I would start at 16. I'm going to take away my 9, and then I would find my missing addend. So I'm going to draw 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Then I'm going to take away 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let's count what we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got the exact same as what was above, so that means I just checked my answer and it is correct. Move to the next problem. Go ahead and I'm going to give you a few seconds to try to work through that one. So grab your whiteboard and marker again and begin. Think about where you start and where you end and draw a picture to count on, or you can use counters to help you also. Okay, so for this one, you're going to start at 4. You're going to end at 11. You're going to stop at 11. So I'm going to draw a picture. I'm going to count 4. Count on with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's count how many we have there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my answer is 7. I'm going to put that in my empty part there. Now I'm going to use subtraction to make sure, just to check my answer there. So I'm going to go 11 minus 4. And remember, in subtraction, we always start with the biggest number. So I'm going to draw 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'm going to cross off the 4. And now let's see how many we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I got the exact same as above. So I know that my answer is correct. And I found my missing addend. Okay, we're going to go to the very last problem now. I'm going to give you a couple of seconds. Think about where you start. Think about where you end. Use counting on, use counters, use subtraction. Okay, so for this problem, you're going to start at 14. You're going to end, you're going to stop counting on at 18. So go ahead and do that with me. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I can see from there, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer, my missing addend is 4. I can check my answer by doing a subtraction equation. I always start with my bigger number, so I would have 18 minus the 14. So I'm going to draw 18, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Then I'm going to cross off the 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's see how many we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see that I have 4 and I have 4. So I know that my answer is correct. And the reason we do it a couple of times is so that we can make sure and we can check our answer. Okay? Great job today, guys. Go ahead and go get your work for missing addends. And if you need to come back to this to review, feel free to do so at any time.